So you found top dead center, but need to know which top dead center. As this is a 4-stroke engine, it's not just up, down, suck, boom, it's suck, squeeze, bang, blow. So if you mess with the timing chain or distributor, or any more complicated repair involving either, when putting it back together, you have to know, is it squeeze or blow? This simple Jeep straight 6 motor features a single cam in block with push rods and a timing chain, and a real distributor with a single ignition coil. The hardest part of putting it back together is lining up the distributor with the crank at top dead center on compression. This is how you find whether it's compression or exhaust stroke. Take just the hose and appropriate fitting from a compression testing kit. Fill an extra clear jar or cups with something that won't hurt your engine should some of it get sucked in. This is PB Blaster, something kind of thin and petroleum based should work, WD-40, thin trans fluid, etc. Put the hose in the fluid and crank that crankshaft around till you see bubbles.